Are you an aspiring entrepreneur or a small business owner looking to take your venture to the next level? Government business grants can provide valuable financial assistance to help you achieve your goals. In this detailed guide, we'll walk you through the process of applying for government business grants, equipping you with the knowledge and resources you need to secure funding for your business. Firstly, it's essential to understand the types of government grants available and determine which ones align with your business needs and goals. Government grants can cover a wide range of areas, including research and development, innovation, job creation, and economic development. Research the grant programs offered by federal, state, and local government agencies to find opportunities that are relevant to your business. Once you've identified potential grant programs, carefully review the eligibility criteria and application requirements. Eligibility criteria may include factors such as your business size, industry sector, geographic location, and specific project objectives. Pay close attention to the application deadlines and submission instructions provided by the grant-making agency. Before applying for a government grant, ensure that your business is properly registered and in good standing with all relevant regulatory authorities. Many grant programs require applicants to have a valid business registration and tax identification number. Next, prepare a comprehensive grant proposal that clearly outlines your business idea, project objectives, expected outcomes, and budget requirements. Be sure to highlight the potential benefits of your project to the local economy, community, or target market. Consider seeking assistance from a professional grant writer or business consultant to ensure your proposal is compelling and meets the requirements of the grant program. Once your grant proposal is complete, submit it according to the instructions provided by the grant-making agency. Be prepared to provide additional information or documentation if requested during the review process. It's essential to maintain open communication with the grant-making agency and follow up on the status of your application regularly. If your grant application is successful, you'll receive notification from the grant-making agency outlining the terms and conditions of the grant award. Be sure to review these carefully and comply with any reporting requirements or funding conditions specified in the grant agreement. In summary, applying for government business grants requires careful research, planning, and preparation. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well positioned to navigate the grant application process and secure funding to support the growth and success of your business.